cold. Good morning, guys. This is my down. What I'm wearing down will not withstand this cold though. It's -3. Guys, the cold is -3 in my city. I have early morning appointment, very early. So I have to take the first bus. I'll be early morning bus. I don't know what time the bus do come by this time. But I don't want to miss this bus. Woo. Okay. Here's my hand closing the camera. Freezing. I'm cold. I'm freezing. Woo. And I didn't wear hand glove. Ouch. I'm not with hand glove. So come with me to an early morning appointment. Early morning appointment. Guys, I didn't sleep last night, guys. I didn't sleep at all. Look at my cheek, it's swollen. I'm having bad toothache. Bad toothache. And the problem of this country is that attending to teeth or going for teeth, whatever, it's very expensive. Very expensive. I don't know how I'm going to cope. I didn't sleep. I couldn't sleep. The toothache was so bad. Very bad. There's nobody at the bus station now. Will it be only me? Why not too early? God, I better go. Go this cold. I cannot withstand this cold. I'll talk to you guys later, please. Let me keep my hands in my pocket. It's so cold. Guys, I'm through with the appointment. I'm going home. I'm a little bit weak. Okay.
Nothing seems right, 'cause when you're born I lose my sight. It's harder at night. The curtain's drawn, can't show my eyes. Do you still think of me? I get a feeling you're lost in a dream. Told me I'm all that you need, but you're too far to even hear me scream.
Hey guys. Welcome to day 5 of our vlogmas. How you all doing? Hope you guys are doing great. Good morning, guys. Good morning. I don't know how many days video that is this one. I don't know. Hope you guys are doing fine. So guys, I just finished cleaning up my kitchen sink, washing up the dishes. I just brought out gizzard and then beef from the freezer so that it will be defrozen because I want to make little stew today. I'm going to be adding chicken. My oven baked chicken is in the fridge. I'm going to be adding it. So I'm using oven baked chicken, I'm using beef, and I'm also using gizzard to make this stew. So I'm going to take you guys along when making the stew, but for now I want to tidy up the house. I want to tidy up the house. Really, my house is in a mess. I've not been feeling fine. My previous, I think the first clip or the second clip, I was going for an appointment. I was going to the hospital for treatment. Really, I wasn't doing well, so I have to go for treatment. So today I'm getting better, because this is, I think, 2 days after that clip, I believe so. So today I'm getting better, and I want to tidy up the house. You know, though my kids have been doing a great job, but it can never be like a mother's touch, you know. So I want to give the house a mother's touch today. I'm going to tidy up my kids' room, tidy up the living room, but for my room I'll leave it for now. So let's go, guys. So this is the meat I'm going to be, okay. Ooh, so that is so hot. Meat I'm going to be using meat. There's cow beef, and I'm going to be using gizzard. This is gizzard to make the stew. See my kids' room. Just see, it's in a mess, especially my daughter's way. See my baby's wardrobe. God help me. So I'm going to tidy up now off camera, then I'll show you guys when I'm done. Guys, I'm done tidying up the room. This is how it's looking. And a bit. So the room is neat now. That pole, I couldn't adjust it. If Bobby comes back, he will help me to do that. So those things on top of the heater is their hair bonnet. I want it to dry up. I want the heater to dry it up. So that's it. I'm done with this one. So guys, this is my breakfast. This is what I want to eat this morning. Come and join me. Breakfast, tea and indomie. Join me, guys.
If you're not there, nothing seems right. 'Cause when you're born, I lose my sight. It's harder at night. The curtain's drawn, can't shut my eyes. Do you still think of me? I get a feeling you're lost in a dream. Told me I'm all that you need, but you're too far to even hear me scream.
So guys, the rice is boiling. Started cooking already. My meat and gizzard is boiling. So this is my tomato mix. So there's no space in my gas. I want to steam it. And this is the chicken I'm going to be adding to what I'm cooking. So that's it, guys. I have to do this off camera so that it will be easy so that the video will not be too long. So we're already cooking. own portion. This my plate don't crack for you. When this plate don't to throw away, don't crack. Witness is eating beside me. So this is my own portion. You guys come and eat. Oh. Come and eat.
Look at my portion.
Mana, greatness portion. This is your portion, she? Guys, come and eat. Nobody do no. No fun on channel. So guys, we are ending this video here.
Yeah.
We are ending this vlog here. Thank you guys for watching up to this extent. Please, if you've not subscribed, please subscribe, like.
This is yummy. You should really try this recipe.
That is my baby talking. So, if you have not subscribed up to this extent, what are you waiting for? Please join the family. Join the family. Subscribe, like, share, drop your comments in the comment section. I see all my oldies, all my oldies that always come back to watch my video. And they see you now. Don't worry, one day I will give a giveaway. So that, guys, that is the end of today's vlog. See you in tomorrow's Vlogmas Day 6. Mommy says, see you tomorrow, Vlogmas Day 6.
See you tomorrow, Vlogmas Day 6.
So, see you guys tomorrow.
6.
Vlogmas Day 6. Greatness enjoyed in school today, guys. I did show you Paul earlier on. She enjoyed in school. Basta. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Cha cha. See my other families that eating in the dining. Bobo, are you true? How was it? It's not good.
My second plate.
Your second, I know this is your second plate.
This means it's good.
Plate 2. That means, which means it's good. Honey? Honey? Alpha. What to do? How far? What to do? You not cry again, she. Now me they do what to do. Okay, I tell my subscribers. Hello.
Mommy, you said.
Hi guys. Ciao guys. Ciao guys.
I'm eating.
You're eating?
You should really try this recipe and repeat. Try this recipe.
Bye guys.